Now from this https visualstudio.microsoft.com. So once your .NET Framework software development kit is installed, then we need to download one integrated development environment, that is, I told you that, Visual Studio. Okay, this is the IDE, this is the most comprehensive IDE for .NET Framework and C++ developers on Windows. Okay, now download Visual Studio, which is the community edition. Okay, we need community edition. It is free because professional enterprise editions are not free, so we need to click on community edition. So that moment, install Visual Studio, getting started with Visual Studio IDE, start. So it is being installed. See here, Visual Studio setup.exe. Okay, already we have installed .NET Software Development Kit 8 version. So now Visual Studio setup.exe file is ready. So click on this. So now Visual Studio installer, you click on yes. So whenever now it is being Visual Studio IDE that is being installed, Visual Studio, you will get this message, Visual Studio installer. Before you get started, we need to set up a few things so that you can, so continue, click on continue. So now Visual Studio installer, so now it is being downloaded. It is being downloaded, then it will be installed. Before that, you have installed your .NET Framework Software Development Kit 8.0. Once it is installed, we need to install IDE, that is Visual Studio. Okay, so let it be downloaded, so it will take some more time. So before that, we need to understand that. So now it is being downloaded. It is being, that is what, Visual Studio is being downloaded, then it will be installed. So it will take time. So within this time, we will try to understand what are the latest trends in software industry. So software industry, it is so a vast field. So day by day, so many trends they are being implemented in software industry. So as a programmer, we need to be aware of all that. So let us try to understand that. So ChatGPT, it has it has an update up to January 2022, and I have asked the Microsoft Copilot also. So both we will, this is the AI Microsoft Copilot. We will try to understand both. Okay, that is very important. First of all, let us try to understand. So ChatGPT is stating that 3.5 artificial intelligence and machine learning. So now it is the era of artificial intelligence. Okay, these both AI and machine learning technologies gradually increasing, okay, day by day in so many software solutions to enable automation, predictive analytics, and personalized user experiences. So one is this trend. Okay, by this so many, like it is the result of ChatGPT 3.5, it is your Copilot, Microsoft and Google Bard and Google Gemini. These are all part of artificial intelligence. Next, cloud computing. So we have, now it is the era of cloud computing. So many examples in front of you. One is your AWS, Amazon Web Services. One more is that Microsoft Azure and Google GCC, Google Cloud Computing platforms. These are the examples nowadays. Okay, so these cloud services, they are providing PaaS, platform as a service, SaaS, software as a service, and this is what, infrastructure as a service. Okay, So already I have started Microsoft Azure, and within this I am keeping my efforts to cover so many topics under cloud computing. Okay, so many strategies are there to store hybrid and multi-cloud strategies. So they are existing for the existing companies which are seeking for flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. So one more topic is that edge computing. Okay, so first of all I want to show all that trends: edge computing, low code, no code development, DevOps. This is nowadays it is this is the latest, that is what CI, continuous integration and continuous development, which will come part of DevOps, development operations. This is the latest trend. Cyber security, because it is very important field. Okay, every data is being, there is a chance of vulnerability, there is a chance of theft. So next, blockchain and distributed ledger technology, remote collaboration tools, data privacy and compliance, sustainable software development, SSD. So these are somewhat latest trends in software industry. Okay, it's the same thing. Artificial Microsoft Copilot, it has explained artificial intelligence and machine learning. Natural language, this is very, very latest. Okay, NLP, natural language processing. So ChatGPT, it has the update knowledge up to updated knowledge up to only January 2022, but Copilot, it is the latest, so that's why it has updated. One more trend, NLP, this is very important nowadays, being used in chatbots for understanding the user queries. Okay, and image recognition. So natural NLP, natural language processing, and computer vision, these are what fields of artificial intelligence subfields, enabling software engineers to build applications with advanced capabilities such as chatbots. So chatbots like ChatGPT 3.5, they will understand and respond for user queries. So if user query anything, they will understand their query and respond accordingly. So image recognition systems, so they will be used to identify objects and faces, image recognition. Okay, and voice assistants, they are one more example that make interaction more intuitively, clearly. Okay, and next is edge computing. Already it is ChatGPT explaining edge computing. Okay, and security in software development, that is one more topic. Security in software, sustainable software. Security in software, which comes under your cyber security. With the rise of cyber threats, security has become a non negotiable. So this is part of your cyber security. Generative AI coding solutions, user focused development, low code, no code platforms, cloud adoption, open source software, DevOps. Okay, now let us see whether it is installed or not. Still it is being downloaded, and at the same time it is being installed. Okay, so this installer, Visual Studio Community 2022, it install all these. Okay, ASP.NET and web development, active server pages.NET and web development. So it will be used to build web applications using ASP.active server page.NET core, ASP.NET, HTML / JavaScript, and containers like Dockers and Kubernetes. But Kubernetes I am not seeing here. It is supporting only Docker. Okay, it's a container. Okay, so for containerizing your applications. Okay, so it is including tools for containerizing your applications such as Docker, including Docker. There is no any Kubernetes here. Okay, Python development, editing, debugging, interaction development, and Azure development, Node